Good day. My name is Laverios S. Tekamotan, and today I will present a legal case analysis of Commissioner of Internal Revenue versus Fitness by Design Incorporated, decided by the Supreme Court on November 9, 2016. This case is about a basic rule in tax law, the right to fairness. The story began when the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, checked the records of a fitness company. The BIR claimed that the company owned over 10 million pesos in unpaid taxes. However, the official bill the BIR sent to the company did not have a clear deadline and did not state a final fixed amount. To break down this case clearly and logically, I will be using IRAC method. Starting with the issue. The main question for the court was, is a tax bill valid if it does not state a final amount to pay and a clear deadline under Section 228 of the Tax Code? In simpler terms, can the government demand tax money from someone without telling them the exact amount and exact day it's due? Second is the ruling. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the company. The court decided that the BIR's tax bill was completely invalid and had no legal effect. Because the bill was poorly made, the government could not collect the 10 million pesos from the company. Now for the analysis. Why did the court decide this way? The court explained that collecting taxes is a very strong power of the government, so the government must follow strict rules to be fair. According to the tax code, a proper tax bill must be a clear and final demand to pay. In this case, the BIR failed because, first, the bill stated that the total amount could still change, meaning it was not a final number. Second, the bill left the actual deadline completely blank, so the company did not know when to pay. The Supreme Court emphasized that the tax bill cannot just be a rough estimate if it does not give a fixed number and a clear deadline. It is unfair because the taxpayer is left guessing what and when to pay. Finally, the conclusion. This ruling reminds us that while taxes are important to run the country, the government must still follow its own laws. A tax bill with missing details is not a real demand. It is a violation of a person's right to fairness. This case teaches us that the law protects citizens and businesses from messy or unfair government action. Thank you.